Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to get almost 85% discount on your Hostinger plan. Let me tell you all the features that you're going to get with this discount. You are going to get an initial 80% discount on all plans, along with 20% extra discount using this exclusive coupon. Along with this, you will also get 3 months of free hosting when you're going to be using this particular coupon code. So to avail this discount, just use the link below in the description. You will be taken into a page such as this. Now from here, you can click on claim deal and you will be shown 3 pricing plans right here. Now one thing that you need to make sure is that if you do not see the currency of whichever place that you are visiting this website from, then what you can do is that you can come to the top right hand side and click on this little flag icon and you can select the currency or the country that you are checking out this website from. So in my case, I'll just select the United States, then I'll scroll down. And here you will be shown 3 popular Hostinger pricing plans. Now for most beginners, the premium plan will be all that you need. Using this plan, you can create up to 3 websites and you will have around 20 GB worth of storage. But the most popular plan so far is the business plan, and this plan is much more powerful than premium as it allows you the ability to create about 50 websites, gives you about 50 GB of space, and gives you a bunch of other amazing features in order to build and scale your website. This plan also has the highest amount of discount, giving you about 80% off initially. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be choosing the business plan for the time being. So all you need to do is that you need to click on choose plan. You'll be taken into a card page such as this, and here you'll be able to see that 3 months of free hosting has been added. So in order to avail that, you need to select a period of about 48 months. And one more thing that you'll be able to see is that 20% additional discount is actually provided to you right here. Now this is only available once you use the link below in the description in order to sign up. So a grand plan for 48 months comes at about $180. Now do not worry if you wish to purchase this plan, and if you're not satisfied, Hostinger does give you a 30-day money back guarantee. So you can actually order this plan and be worry free. So that was a quick tutorial on how to get almost 85% discount on your Hostinger plan. If you want to see more deals like this in the future, then make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel and turn on your bell notifications. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.